Hey fellow crypto enthusiast, welcome to today's quick trend analysis. Let's get straight to it. Today, find out how the price of Bitcoin has changed and what the technical indicators SMA, EMA and Stochastic Rsi show. If you are unfamiliar with the indicators, check out the explanation videos below. Looking at the Bitcoin hourly time frame, the price went up with around 3.7%, but then came quickly down again in the last 24 hours, with a current price of 19,302. Moving to the hourly simple moving averages, at the moment, the price is between the 50 and the 200 SMA. If the price bounces off the 50 SMA, which is currently at 19,269, it could be seen as a support, and the 200 SMA that is at 19,426 could be perceived as a resistance to the upside. If there were to be a break either way, it means that there could be a continuous move in that direction. It's important to note that currently the price is below the 200 SMA, which is normally a strong resistance. A potential move upwards, however, could be signaled if it were to break decisively upwards. However, the shorter time frames are not very accurate, and the bigger time intervals like the daily should also be considered for longer price development. Moving to the hourly exponential moving averages, the current price went below the hourly ribbon, so you should wait to see if the price will jump back above the ribbon or it will act as a resistance to the upside, which is at around 19,351 at the moment. Moving to the hourly stochastic RSI, both the %K and %D lines are currently very low, which means that the price is oversold and a trend change or at least some kind of consolidation is to be expected. However, the K line still hasn't crossed the D line, so you should wait to see if the trend will actually change to the upside. Jumping to the 3-hourly simple moving averages, at the moment, the price is between the 50 and the 200 SMA. If the price bounces off the 50 SMA, which is currently at 19,278, it could be seen as a support, and the 200 SMA that is at 19,371 could be perceived as a resistance to the upside. If there were to be a break either way, it means that there could be a continuous move in that direction. Important to note is that the price is currently below the 200 SMA, which can play as a strong resistance. However, breaking it decisively to the upside will signal a potential big move up. Moving to the 3-hourly exponential moving averages, the price at the moment is situated below the 3-hourly ribbon, which is usually bearish, and the ribbon can act as a resistance, so you should keep an eye on if the price will break it or bounce of it. The current price to watch is around 19,342. However, the ribbon is compressed, which means the current trend is not very strong and a trend change could be expected. Jumping to the 3-hourly stochastic RSI, the stochastic RSI currently shows no overbought or oversold conditions, but we can see that the trend is currently going down because the K line is below the D line. Moving to the daily simple moving averages, the current price is below all simple moving averages for this time interval, which looks bearish, and it is to watch if the closest SMA, the 20 SMA, will play as resistance or the price will break it to the upside above the current price of around 19,406. Looking at the daily exponential moving averages, the price at the moment is situated below the daily ribbon, which is usually bearish, and the ribbon can act as a resistance, so you should keep an eye on if the price will break it or bounce of it. The current price to watch is around 20,158. Nevertheless, a trend change can be expected owing to the ribbon being compressed, which means that the trend is currently not very strong. Usually, when the price moves to the side, the ribbon is less reliable. Jumping to the daily stochastic RSI, we can see that the crypto is being oversold because the %K and %D lines are in the lower region. A change in the trend can be expected, or for the crypto to remain at least stable for some time. The K line is currently above the D line, which shows that the trend has shifted to the upside. Generally, the bigger time frames have a bigger impact on the price, so please keep that in mind when we show different time frames showing contrasting indicators. Also, the shorter time frames are only representative for the short-term trading. Thanks for watching. New videos are uploaded every few hours analyzing various cryptocurrencies, so be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out. If there is something that you didn't understand, leave us a comment below and we'll get back to you. You should know that trading with cryptocurrencies is very risky, and these videos are only an overview of what happens with the price and a pure technical analysis without considering the fundamentals. So you should read more and make your own investing decisions. See you next time.